Pasok ka na! Oh my god. Galaw-galaw ka naman. Full pa yung health mo. Ako konti na lang. Nag-heal pa ako sa tomorrow. I mean, bukas. Uy, di ba ano? Is your class? Wait lang. Is your class werewolf? Oh my god, guys, na-unweld ko. Sorry. Sorry, guys, na-unweld ko po siya. Na-unweld. Sorry, na-unweld. So, whoever knows how to fix this thing, better fix it. Cause I'm super bobo in this thing. And, oh, yo. Yay! Nag-heal na po ako. Hala, guys, why tayo fuel? Wow. Uy. Saan tayo bibili ng fuel, be? I mean, bibili tayo ng fuel. We're in the middle of the desert. Wait, may fuel naman tayo, eh. Sino driver? Oh my god, I'm not gonna drive. I'm so bobo in this. Okay. Still 4 players pa. Bro, where are you going? Where are you going, bro? You're gonna leave me and this girl here? Wow, iniwan ba naman kami dito? Wow, what a nice. Joke lang. Anyways. Ate girl, malaglag ako. Ate girl. Okay. Wait, mga. No. Te, mauubusan tayo sa town, te. O deserve, namatay siya, te. Te, wag. Te, wag. Wag ka, te. Wag. Te, sabi ko sa'yo, te, wag dito. Oh my god! Wag niyo kung iwan dito, tanginan niyo. Ay, sorry. Pag nagmura ako, sorry lang yun. Anyways, I'm gonna collect his inventory and bring it to the train and drag him, and I'm gonna come here. Come here, you little thing. Just kidding. I kinda need to fix my English accent. I really love speaking English. Mali man yung classic grammar. Wow. Chill. Bro. Asan na yung iba natin kasama, te? Sabi natin mga rin. Hey, tayo, wag na, please. Oh my god, get me in. Gosh, save me, please. Ala, 1 PM pa lang, B. Madideto na ako dito. At saka revive na din siya, to. May revive na siya, to. Oh my god, help! Oh my god! Tulungan niyo po dito, be. Oh my god, survive days. I mean, that zombie is literally waiting for me. Hindi ko makabalik sa train bago mag-graduate. Wow. Wow, be, may out na, be! Putang ilang tao to. Dedo na ako. Wala na. Sayang, hindi ko nakasama. No! Guys, unicorn. Be, may unicorn dito, be! Sana in-store ko na lang siya, no? Oh my god, where is that guy? Oh no, we're all dead. Again. Should we play again? Okay, guys. Wait ako nang may mag-click ng 3 or 2. Bro. Asan na yung isang nating teammate? Baka nag-leave na din siya. Okay lang. Nag-leave na siya. Oh, hindi pa. Okay. Cut.